Can you see yourself in the 2018 Lincoln MKC? With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this elegant Lincoln MKC, the compact premium SUV that blends luxury and versatility with sleek style. Its quiet cabin features an array of technology to keep you connected, comfortable, and confident on all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Bluetooth connection. Elevate your daily drive in this quiet, powerful MKC. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.